Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So of all the seasons, I think fall is my very favorite because I find myself missing it when it's not here and just trying to enjoy every moment when it is. So decorating for fall is something that I really love to do. I don't really go all in and spend a ton of money. Usually I just bring the things out that I've had throughout the years, but I have purchased a couple new things and I will show you guys what those are. First of all, I have on my porch here, I love to decorate this area and make it just so welcoming and inviting. These birch logs are something a friend gave to Daniel because they heard that I wanted some. And these lanterns are both from Ikea. I think they were like $15 and $10 each, and they were really, really inexpensive, and I love them. And these pine cones right here, my mom started a collection. She's filming, so she thinks it's funny. But they look super cute there. Anyways, and then on this side I have a pumpkin for Marcus, and then two little pumpkins that we got from a festival that we all went to. It was only $2. And then I have this mum plant that I forget to water all the time, and that's why it is dying. But it was from Trader Joe's, it was only a few dollars. Now that we've finished the front porch, let's go to the inside. So if you'll just follow me this way, watch your step. This is my entryway where I like to make it really fun and inviting. Most of the stuff just stays here, but I did add this, what is it called? Garland. I did add this garland that I got from the Dollar Tree last year and just pulled it out again this year. This is another, actually this pumpkin is from Trader Joe's. They were like 69 cents each, so it's a really great inexpensive way to like make your home feel really festive and cozy. This sign is from Michael's last year. They have an amazing selection of signs and they're usually like 40 or 50% off, which is awesome. And then this candle is, what scent is it? It's from Pier 1 years ago when I used to work there, and the scent is Golden Apple Orchard, and it smells just like that. It smells very yummy. Over here I have, on my little side table here, I just put another thing I got from Pier 1 all those years ago. Just a stack of old books, and then this garland around another candle. I think it's the same scent as well. And then on my coffee table, oops, there was a really cute little magazine here, but Chloe spilled my tea all over it, so it is now gone. But we still have this pumpkin, which is from the dollar section at Target. I think it is so cute. I really love it. It was only $3. This is Autumn Harvest candle from Target. They're like $5 each for this size, and I really love this one. I got it last year and just pulled it out again this year, but I believe they have that same scent at the store right now. Over here is my little office space, and I didn't really do much to cheer up this space because, like I said, I don't go all out like some people do, but I do have this Hello Pumpkin mug that I got from Home Goods a little bit ago, and I just love to have my coffee and tea in here when I'm working at my desk. And I also got some pumpkin syrup when I was there. What else? It's pumpkin pie coffee syrup, and it's really, really good. It's like $5 over there. Anyways, and then over here I have another garland along the TV. Daniel does not like this one because some of the leaves block the TV, so he has moved it behind the TV, but I pulled it out again because I had to make this video. So it'll probably disappear again after I'm done. This is a little Hello Fall sign that I set out here. My mom made that. Is the last year that you made that? Yeah, she made that for me last year because I said I wanted that, and she just can make anything I tell her to. This isn't anything really fall related, but it is new. This is a fig leaf tree that I got from Ikea, and I don't have the right kind of basket that I want. I want to get one of those round baskets that's white on the bottom and then the natural color on the top, but I haven't found anything yet, so I've just stuck it in that one for now.
Roll them.
Close, Mom.
You're close. I'm far away.
So in the dining room there are several new things, but nothing that is, well, a couple fall things. So I have this eucalyptus that I put in this really cute vase that I thought was a little bit more fallish than some bright flowers. And then I have another candle. This one I bought this year. It's Cinnamon Pumpkin Muffin, also from Target, and it smells really, really good. It was my favorite of all of them there. And then this pumpkin is my mom's little pumpkin. My sister gave it to her, and she grew it in her garden. So she's going to make me a pie out of this. Right, Mom?
Yep.
And this table is a 1963 table that my friend is refinishing. We bought it on Facebook Marketplace for $100. It came with 6 chairs, which she's currently working on, and as soon as it is done, I'm going to give you guys a dining room reveal. I'm really excited about it. But I also got this table runner from Anthropologie because all of mine are really short, and this table is really long, and I just love the macrame look on it. So the last couple things that are fall related will come this way. Not too much fall stuff going on in here, but I did want to show you nevertheless. In the kitchen, there's not too much fall related except for this Mrs. Meyer apple cider scent dish soap and hand soap. Last year I wanted to get this one, but I didn't end up doing it. I got the mom instead because I think the apple cider sold out before I could get it. But I got it this year and it smells amazing. All I want to do is use that. But I believe that the holiday scents are what's coming out now, and I may have a coupon code down below depending on when this video is live to get a free Mrs. Meyer trio of the holiday scents. I think it's like Iowa pine, orange clove, and peppermint. But I'll have a coupon code down below if it's live at the time this video goes live. I'm not sure when. They sent me the campaign, but I can't remember exactly when it is. But also they're sending walnut scrubbers and a red caddy, like this white one back here, but it will come in red. But that's for new subscribers only. But anyways, there's a couple new items in this kitchen. This tray is from Target, the Magnolia Home line, and then this also is Magnolia Home. And then up here I have a couple more hand towels in my little colander here, so I kind of just updated this whole area. I think this is my very dated 70s window, but I really love it for my fresh herbs, and I think kind of going all white in there made it look a little bit more fresh and a little bit more up to date. Anyways, thank you guys so much for coming along on my house tour. I hope you enjoyed it. I love seeing other people's spaces just to get ideas for my own home. I've been going to the Street of Dreams to help out with my husband's business at Living Home Properties on Instagram because I do styled shoots in those homes all the time, and it's just something that I really love is decorating my home, making it feel welcoming and inviting, and I hope you guys got inspiration from that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you are having a great fall. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below, and please like this video if you enjoyed it, and also subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. I hope you guys are all having a great fall, and I'll see you all very soon in my next video. Bye guys. Oh, okay, when you leave, I'm gonna shut the door. I'll say bye.
Okay.
Oh, I hope you guys are all having a great fall, and I will see you all very soon in my next... No, you have to like back out. That's like...
Okay.
I hope you guys are all having a great fall, and I will see you all very soon in my next video. Bye, guys. Okay, let's try that one more time.
Okay.
Bye, guys. You gotta go a little bit sooner. Maybe start as soon as I say it, yeah. I hope you guys are all having a great fall, and I will see you all very soon in my next video. Bye, guys. Let's just try a normal one.
Okay.